How to change Instagram password. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you're going to change your Instagram password. So let's get into it. So to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to more. Okay, and obviously, let's say you want to log into some account and you have forgotten your password. So you're going to click on forgot your password, and over here, what you're going to do is you're going to add the email of the account that you forgot your password to. Okay, so you're just going to add the email over there, and it's going to allow you to change the password. But in the case you haven't forgotten your password but you still want to change it, in that case you're going to go over to your settings. You're going to go into your account center over here, which is going to be your Meta account. Once you do that, you're going to go into personal details. Okay, and you can come here. From your personal details, obviously you can change your password and security. So in the password and security, click on change password, choose the account, and then just change your password from here. So yeah, that's about it. That's how you're going to change your password. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.